2017, we have a major snow effect off the Lake Erie storm. Dumped about 2 feet during the rush hour. All the major arteries are packed. Even side streets are being packed. Unusual. I've never seen that in the history. I lived here all my life. It struck at a very busy time of the day. I heard south of here they had 30 inches of snow and people are getting stuck and just leaving their cars and walking out of it. Lake effect is on, it's kind of moved toward Buffalo City a little bit in the last hour or so. It's starting to move a little south now. There should be another 8-10 inches of snow. Traffic is barely moving. This is intersection of Abbott and Ridge Road. I think it's around 7 p.m. Well, 6:30, not sure. Let's see what time it is.